So in the operations of functions, just always take note about the GEMDAS. GEMDAS or PEMDAS. If we say GEMDAS or PEMDAS, that is grouping or parentheses before exponent, then multiply or divide first before adding or subtract. Okay? That is a GEMDAS or PEMDAS rule. So we know we have 4 operations of functions: the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. First one, we have here the addition. Okay? Take note, when adding polynomials, okay, there are 2, what they call this one, rule that we need to do. Okay? First step, add the same variable. Okay? If there are a lot of variables there in the number equation like x, y, z, a, b, okay, just combine the like terms. Okay? And next, aside from same variable, they must be in the same exponent, same degree. If you see degree, that's the exponent. Okay? We can only add both x squared, both x squared, both x cubed, both x. Okay? So, for example, I have here y. Wait, for a while. Okay, so let's continue. So 3x plus 4x plus 3z plus 5x squared CDSJ2 plus 4z squared okay, plus 4 plus 2x. Okay. Okay. So this example, 3x plus 4x plus 3z plus 5x squared plus 4z squared plus 2x. Okay? So always take note these two Okay, we will just add the same variable and add the same degree. Therefore, we will add 3x, 4x, and 2x. Since they have the same variable, which is x, and same exponent, which is 1. While 3z has its own variable and doesn't have any same term. Also in 5x squared and 4z squared. Therefore, our answer will be, this is 9x, okay. 9x plus 3z plus 5x squared plus 4z squared. Okay? But for the cleanliness or for the good arrangement of the variable, we will, what they call this one, arrange it into descending order. So our answer will be 5x squared plus 4z squared plus 9x plus 3z. Okay? So this is your answer. Again, just take note with these two rule. Add the same variable and add the same degree. Okay? So that is for addition. How about subtraction? Okay? So in subtraction, there is only one